Hello guys, Card Blaster is back, and today we'll be doing part 3 of our awesome Absolute Power Force OCG booster box opening. So far we opened 10 packs and we got one ultimate rare out of them, and today we'll be ending the right column of the box, so I cannot wait. But before we begin, as always, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more awesome videos. And also check out my eBay store, Card Blaster 3000, link in the description below. You will find all sorts of cool trading card related stuff, so check that out. And now, let's not wait any longer and get our final 5 packs. So that's pretty neat. Let's put this here. Yeah, and let's begin. Pack number 1, Absolute Power Force. Well, I love OCG packs, they look really cool. And now, let's go. So, okay, whoops. Stay there, stay there. Let's see. Pack number 1. So let's see what we have here, and that's a rare. Oh, this looks pretty cool actually. Nice, nice. No, seriously, this is really nice. So there you go. First card is a rare. Pretty neat. Pack number 2. Let's cut it carefully, because really I always scared to cut the cards because we are using scissors. So Totem Guy, what's this? Oh, nice. This card, I've seen it before. This dude, and another rare. Nice. So okay, whatever. 2 rares so far, 3 packs to go, so nothing to worry. So pack number 3. This is gonna be good, I know it. This is gonna be good. So again, another copy of this cool guy. I mean, what's the meaning of this card? I mean, 100 attack, 100 defense, 1 star. Oh, maybe it's a synchro. Yeah, I hope so, because otherwise it's useless. So there we go. Another pixie guy, another Gravekeeper Stone, this thing, and another rare. And unfortunately, it's a rare we have already. So not that lucky this time, but it's okay. It's okay. So Absolute Power Force, pack number 4. Let's see. Come on, God of Cards, give us something special. We still have to find the color card. I mean, guys, I need to find the color card, otherwise, what's the meaning of all this? No, I'm joking, but I would like to. So, let's see. And the Drill Guy. Nice, nice, not bad. Not bad. So, again, it's 4 rares. Let's see what we can get. So, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, that's a new card already, so it's promising. This is Snake Guy, another stone, this thing, and... oh, come on! We ended with a rare. Wow, I don't believe this. This is exactly like our, what's that, Ancient Prophecy box we opened. On the right side we got 1 ultimate rare and all rares. That's insane. And also I noticed that 3 boxes I've opened so far, including this one, of OCG stuff, I mean boxes of big series, not reprint set. And all ultimate rares are on the right side? Oh well, let's do today's open recap. So that's another 5 rare cards. Yeah, nothing exciting, but there is something exciting actually, which is now we have to find 2 ultra rares and 3 super rares all in this side, so next openings are gonna be awesome, so don't miss them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you're sure to come back later, soon, for part 4. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Card Blaster, and I'm signing out. Bye guys!